Hi, and welcome to the ImageJ tutorial, where we will be learning how to install and operate ImageJ. The first step in this is going to your web browser and then typing in the link above. Once that's all set, locate which operating system your computer uses and then click the link to download. Once the download is complete, it will download a compressed file for ImageJ. You will right-click that and then hit Extract All. This will create a new file. Double-click it, and now we have our ImageJ software. Open up the software. Then to analyze an image, we'll click File, Open, and select the image that we will be using. Here, we have an image from my research team with microscope slides that have been tested with solvent for 100 seconds. We want to analyze this section right here. You can draw your box of the part you want to analyze. Go to Analyze in the top, then go to Histogram. This shows the intensity of the image. We can go to Live and then drag the box around, and the histogram will move with the image. So I hope this was very helpful to everyone, and thank you all for coming.